These tickets was only, how much, Trent?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
$6. Why was they only $6, Trent?
Because ET. I don't know.
Because I had an EBT card. So you can come to the San Francisco Zoo with your kids for $6 with an EBT card.
I want to go to the movies.
Which way you want to go? You want to go that way?
Yeah. Look at the duck. I think most of these animals are rescued. Mama, do you know a cool fact about pigeons?
What?
Did you know that we domesticated them once before, but we abandoned them, so they're like on their own now.
Mm-hmm.
And they can't really make a nest either. So basically, they're a bird without the bird instinct. Since we had what do you call it? What I just said the word. Domesticated them.
Mm-hmm.
But if you tame one, they'll immediately become like domesticated birds again. Instead of having
What bird is that?
pigeons. You know how they used to like, give us
You already know. If you get bit, all right, so you trying to get a check out the zoo, and they don't let us in for $6, and you want an animal to attack us so you can sue them.
No, I don't want that. I said if they do.
Damn. Oh.
Horse dookie, that's what. Remember that little program where you could adopt animals? I just thought about that when looking at that horse.
Huh?
You know that little program about like adopting animals for a little while, so you have to feed them off, or you go to different places?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's for the kids that do good.
What's some Ritz?
Nope.
Okay. All these horses bottoms. Oh, the hogs. They're not pigs, they're hogs.
Who they stay?
The horse are the ones stinking.
It's them hogs and them horses. They pretty though, but oof. Look how they look. They look like, you know, on Lion King, Timber
And now little soft.
Timber and Simone. They look like Timber.
Yeah,
Hey, Timber.
yeah, Timber's a hog.
Yeah. That's for sure, Timber.
I was thinking about
So I am about to come to you guys with a hair video and do a hair mask that I seen on, I think it was TikTok, Instagram, I don't know, I was scrolling, but I saw this egg hair mask with aloe vera and black castor oil and fenugreek seeds, and I just started adding stuff to it, and then it just got real crazy. So now we about to do it, y'all. It got egg in it, it got fenugreek, it got black castor oil. I haven't put the black castor oil in it yet. Where did I put the black castor oil? Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I got the black castor oil and, did I say aloe vera? Aloe vera. So yeah, I'm about to put this in my hair right now. I'm about to put this in my hair because I want my hair to be thick and I want it to be beautiful and I want it to be long. So listen up, y'all. So I need a towel. I need to change this camera view a little bit because I'm like right here, but I want it to be right here, so maybe I should move right here. Okay, there we go. Boom, in the camera. Early morning. Good morning. So we got this towel off our neck, cause this stuff, it got a weird smell to it. It's a lot going on. Not gonna lie. But yeah. My hair is growing. It's just growing like patchy. Like some places it's growing more than others. So I want it to get thicker in the middle. I'm proud that I even got hair on my edges. Cause baby, it was giving hardcore ghetto girl. But yeah, so it's giving in the back, you know. The back is doing something, but the top needs to catch up to the back. I be too rough on my head. I gotta be gentle. Show my hair some love. Yes, I'm making a mess, but it's okay because actually, while this mask is sitting on my head, I am about to be cleaning my house up. And I definitely need to mop my floors. So that's what's gonna happen with that. But yeah, I put that on there right there. Not gonna tell y'all this is the best smell. That's why I'm gonna come back after I do this mask, cause I know how it smells. I'm gonna do a shea butter. I'm gonna use this shea butter Jamaican black castor oil. Can you see it? But yeah, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes, and just to give it like a better smell. Because the egg and the Jamaican castor oil and the fenugreek honey, I don't know, it's not giving the smell I wanna smell like. No shade to anybody who like weird smells, but whew. Why is my light doing? Yeah, my light is doing something weird. So yeah, I put that all through there. And then I'm gonna put it on the other side. Whew. And I'm definitely gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna put so much in the middle, like what? Honey. Cause it'll come back. Talk to your edges. Oh, I'm making a mess. So we got that all in there like that. And then I just wanna comb it through a little bit. Ooh, I'm so tender-headed, y'all. And I took my quick weave out, and it was just falling out. The only part that got stuck was, of course, the piece right here in the front. I was so sad. It hurt right here. I was like, no. I can't afford to lose a strand, honey. Whew. Y'all see how thin my hair is at the top? I look like a grandfather. I need my hair to get long. I am not nobody's grandfather. Like, so yeah, that's what this hit and fold. I'm gonna add some more of this right there in the middle like that. That with the oversaturation. And I'm gonna let this sit on my hair while I clean up, y'all. So it'll probably be a couple hours. Put a cap on. And call it a day. Alright, y'all. This is my hair mask. I'll come back. Y'all want to see the other part too with the shea butter? Okay, I'll put that part on there too. I'll try to. I'm running out of storage on my phone, so I need to upload some videos because I got a lot of stuff on my phone. I need to do something. But yeah, I'll be back.